Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up dual monitors on Windows 11. Increase productivity, enhance your gaming experience, or just get more screen real estate. Having two monitors can make a world of difference. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so let's dive right in. First is the introduction to dual monitor setup. Before we get started, let's talk briefly about why you want to set up dual monitors. With two screens, you can multitask more effectively. Keep your emails open on one screen while working on a document on the other, or play a game on one while watching a video on the second. It's also great for creative work, coding, and even streaming. Now, setting up dual monitors on Windows 11 is straightforward. But here are a few things you need to check first. Step 1. Check your hardware. First, make sure your computer has the necessary ports. Most modern PCs and laptops have multiple video outputs, like HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C. You need two of these ports to connect to monitors. If you only have one port, you might need a docking station or an adapter to add another output. Also, check that monitors have compatible inputs. For example, if your PC has an HDMI port, make sure your monitor has an HDMI input, or you need an adapter. Step 2. Connect your monitors. Once you've checked your hardware, it's time to connect your monitors. Start by turning off your PC or laptop. Then connect the first monitor to your PC using the appropriate cable, HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C. After that, connect the second monitor to other available port. Once both monitors are connected, turn on your computer. Windows 11 should automatically detect the monitors and extend your display across both screens. Step 3. Configure your display settings. Now that your monitors are connected, we'll dive into the display settings to configure everything properly. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. This will open the Display Settings menu, where you can see both of your monitors, represented as rectangles. You'll see your two monitors label as 1 and 2. The No. 1 represents your primary monitor, and No. 2 is your secondary monitor. If you're not sure which monitor is which, click the Identify button, and a number will briefly appear on each screen. Next, let's arrange the monitors. You can click and drag the rectangles to match the physical layout of your monitors. For example, if your second monitor is with the red of your primary monitor, make sure the rectangle labeled is on the right side of the rectangle label 1. This way, your mouse and windows will move seamlessly between screens. Scroll down to the Multiple Displays section. Here you can choose how you want your monitors to work together. If you want to extend your displays across both monitors, make sure Extend these displays is selected. This is the most common setup for dual monitors. If you prefer to mirror your display, where both screens show the same content, choose Duplicate these displays. This option is useful for presentations, but less common for daily use. Step 4. Set up your primary monitor. With your monitors arranged, it's time to check or set your primary monitor. The primary monitor is where your taskbar and Start menu will appear. In the display settings, select the monitor you want as your primary display by clicking on its rectangle. Scroll down and check the box that says, "Make this my main display." This will shift your taskbar and Start menu to the selected monitor. Step 5. Adjust resolution and scaling. Next, let's adjust resolution and scaling to make sure everything looks sharp and fits properly on your screens. And the display settings. Select each monitor individually and adjust the display resolution to the recommended setting. This ensures that you are using the optimal resolution for your monitors. Under Scale and Layout, you can adjust the scale if things appear too small or too large. For example, leaving this at 100% or 125% works best, but you can adjust it based on your preference. Step 6. Advanced Display Settings. This is optional for those who want a bit more control. You can dive into the Advanced Display Settings. Here you can adjust things like the refresh rate of each monitor, which is important for gaming, or if you're noticing any screen flickering. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Here you can select each monitor and change its refresh rate to the highest available setting. Who is for the smoothest experience? Step 7. That's your setup. Now that you've configured everything, it's time to test your setup. Open a few apps or drag windows between your monitors to make sure everything is working as expected. Try a video or try playing a video on one screen while working on the other, or simply move your mouse across the screen to ensure everything is seamless. For the troubleshooting tips. If you're having any issues, like one monitor not being detected or the screen not extending properly, here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. First, check your connections. Make sure that all cables are securely plugged in. Next, update your graphic drivers. Sometimes an update the driver can cause issues. You can update this through the Device Manager and Windows. Lastly, restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor issues. And that's it. You've successfully set up dual monitors on Windows 11. Whether using it for work, gaming, or anything in between, having two monitors can significantly improve your productivity and experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or runs into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!